So yeah, fishing. Well, I wish we were, because someone's forgot the reels. Fantastic. Anyway, I've got the reels on speed dial, they're on the way, but I'll just let you know what we're fishing with and what type of rods. Not as well, because we've got no reels to go with them at the moment. So anyway, we've got the Rampage 2, 15 foot, and we've got the Squadron 2, and both reels are on the way, and hopefully we'll start fishing. That's me. I've just got my reel delivery on my way back. It's a bit of a yomp. Can't fish without any reels though, can you? We got the reels! Someone's glad. So we never had the reels. The reels came back. Well, there it is. And we got ourselves some lovely donuts and pies.
Alright.
Can't all be fun.
Balls, using 2 hook flapper. Top hook, it's got black hook, tipped with squid. On the bottom, it's got a squid and mackerel roll. 4 ounce breakaway. On mine, I'm using the same 2 hook flapper. Top, I'm using black squid, black lug with squid. On the bottom, black lug with mackerel. 4 ounce breakaway.
See what we catch with that then, boys.
That's it.
So today I'm fishing on black lug, squid and mackerel baits. I've put a mackerel and squid bait together. We'll basically put the black lug on and we'll tip it off with mackerel and squid bait, and hopefully we'll catch something. So the people next to us are just at the fall back ray, absolutely fantastic. So they are out there. So we've changed tactics a little bit, haven't we, Martin?
Yeah.
And we've gone with a bit of mackerel. And hopefully we get one, don't we, mate?
Alright, so just had this little thorny on a bit of plain mackie, just cast out about 80 yards, 100 yards, had a bite within about 5-10 minutes, and there we go. Nice little thorny.
That's a fantastic thorny, that.
Yeah, happy with that.
Brilliant. What bait were you using?
That was just mackerel, yeah.
Mackerel bait?
Yeah, just
fantastic.
Mackerel, and that was on a pulley.
Paul's going to rebait.
So decided to change some tactics, I think. Let's hopefully this will work.
What's that you're putting on, mate? What is it? Mackerel.
What I'm putting on now is mackerel and squid together. Obviously there's been a couple of rays that have been pulled out here, so I'm thinking to myself, we'll mix it up a bit and we'll get this scent in the water, and hopefully we'll get our scent. That's it, man. Just keep wishing it in, mate.
Very good try.
As long as you got a hook in the water, eh?
Hello. Not enough live view, lad.
Let's see if it knocks again. It was a nice bait put on. It was squid and mackerel, weren't it?
Yeah.
So whether it's gone for the top one, that's what I'm thinking. Give it 5 more minutes, I reckon, and then we'll bring the baits back in, rebait, and get them back out. I think obviously the fresher the baits, keep constantly getting in and out, so the more of the chance, to be fair. Stay tuned. I'll tell you what, these 2 rods have been going like the clappers, and then they stop and go again. Like bloody chuck of vision in it, lads.
Yeah.
Go on, strike it, Matt.
Come on.
Strike it.
No. How can you miss that?
Never mind. Rebait, get it back out.
Falls into one. Getting down. Goes to Bram. Hello, Paolo.
Let's get into this. Small done.